Hello and welcome back to the channel. Good food isn't just about taste, rather how it makes you feel. And today's recipe is pure comfort in every bite. Also, stay around with us to know the special ingredient I'm going to use in this recipe. Now, we're going to make a protein-rich dish for today. Here I'm taking the cleaned chicken. Simply cut them to medium-sized chunks. We know chicken belongs to the category of high biological value protein, so it's ideal for high protein intake, but remember to keep track of the portion size. Once done, let's quickly add in the spices for the marination. This recipe is for about 3 servings, and so all the measurements will be used accordingly. You can simply adjust measurements as per your requirements. And I would love to see you try this recipe, because if you do, it's going to turn out amazing. But don't forget to send us your feedbacks in the comments below. Then mix in all the spices and coat the chicken pieces well. Then if you have time, keep it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, let's pan fry the chicken. For that, use any oil of your choice. Here, I would like to add a small portion of unsalted butter. As the butter starts to melt, let's add in minced garlic. Now, let me tell you a secret. Fresh garlic is always the best here. Then it's time to directly add in the marinated chicken. Just pan-sear for a few minutes, keeping at low flame. We know chicken cooks really fast, so when one side is done, flip to the other side. And continue cooking till it's cooked well. The beauty of this recipe is it's a one-pot process, and so it's pretty easy even for beginners. Once the chicken is ready, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside, and proceed to make the creamy and delicious white sauce with just 2 main ingredients. Into the same pan, I'm going to add a little of warm water. The special ingredient I love to use is the full-fat cooking cream for an absolute delicious surprise on the plate. Again, for those of you on weight loss diet managements, you can simply use the low-fat cooking cream. I'm adding the few other spices as well. Now, these spices not only gives the taste, but also helps to build the aroma and is gut-friendly too. As it simmers for a while, for an extra richness, I'm going to add the shredded cheddar cheese. This really uplifts the whole dish to the next level, and no one's gonna believe that you could make this at home with just simple ingredients. Now let's add in the fried chicken and simmer for about a few minutes. In the meantime, let's prep for the garnish. Here I'm using some fresh parsley. Simply chop it fine. In case if you don't have it at hand, you can also use the dried parsley. You see, the sauce is at dry consistency now. It's time to off the flame and simply garnish. Now, this is yet another thing which I personally love to relish in this creamy and cheesy chicken. Adding these fresh tomatoes gives a kind of mild tartness to the sauce, which I think you too will definitely love. You can see now our creamy garlic chicken is absolutely looking delicious, and mark me, it tastes delicious too. Serve this as a side dish with rice or any breads and enjoy for lunch or dinner. Thank you for being with us today. Looking forward to see you soon in our next video with lots of love and care. But don't forget to send us your feedbacks in the comments below.